I'm on my journey to Javi's house on River Ave, and I see a downed power line. Yo, not bad. Look at that, huh?
No.
Wow. Look at that shit. Right down on the roof. Holy shit. Wow. Well, these people are pretty much fucked. Look at that. That is incredibly horrible. Down power line. Tree smashed into the roof. The National Grid there on the job. Those people got some real damage. I hope they had insurance. And as I make my way further to Juan's house in this mother effing crap, I just sometimes feel like my life is over. Alright, that was stupid. Alright, I'm signing off for now. Peace.